The Inchcape Rock on page number 103. If you please look at the icebreakers there. What is the first icebreaker? Yes, prepare a word register related to marine life. Preparing a word register is a very simple activity. One word is there, sailors. What are other words? Navigators, ship, port. What are other words? सांगता येतील का बघा बरं. Don't you know related words to marine life? Marine life शी related words. Boat, voyage. Yes? Captain. Very good. Captain is a very common word. So captain, sailors, navigators, ship, boat, port, P-O-R-T. These are the related words to marine life. So make this word register at home. घरी तुम्हाला ते सहज करता येईल. जमेल ना? Okay. Moving to second activity, the functions of lighthouse are. Lighthouse. Lighthouse in the sea. समुद्रात एक lighthouse असतं. What is its function? काय असेल त्याचं function? One function is given to show the direction. What are other functions? To warn the ships of possible dangers. To warn the ships of possible dangers. काही जे धोके असतात. To warn the ships. शिप्सला त्यांची सूचना देण्यासाठी. What are other functions of lighthouse? To warn the ships of rocks in the sea. Some seas have rocks and the rocks are invisible. The rocks invisible असतात. We are not able to see the rocks under the water. So if the lighthouse is there, जर lighthouse असेल, it helps us to warn about the possible rocks in our way. So showing the direction, warning the ship of possible dangers, and warning about hidden rocks under the water are the functions of the lighthouse. Third activity, third icebreaker. Discuss in pairs the various famous rocks in the world and mention the places where they are. So please search it in general knowledge book. General knowledge book मध्ये तुम्हाला सापडेल famous rocks in the world. One of the famous rocks is mentioned here, Balancing Rock at Mahabalipuram. If you go to Mahabalipuram, you will get to see Balancing Rock. आणि इतर प्लेसेस तुम्हाला स्वतःला फाइंड आउट करायचे आहेत. यू कॅन टेक हेल्प ऑफ जनरल नॉलेज बुक और यू कॅन गुगल इट. गुगल तुम्ही करा. ओके, सो इट्स अ जनरल नॉलेज ॲक्टिव्हिटी. Now the next activity is narrating the class a story about someone who destroyed or spoiled someone else good work. अशी एखादी स्टोरी आपल्याला सांगायची आहे. स्टोरी ऑफ समवन हू स्पॉइल्ड अदर्स गुड वर्क. ज्याने इतरांचं काम खराब केलेलं आहे. यू कॅन नॅरेट इट. सांगता येईल का एखादी स्टोरी अशी? सी, I will tell you a very short story. कि there were two friends, Ajay and Vijay. Ajay was very hardworking, and one day he painted a very nice picture. He sketched a very nice picture. But Vijay, he felt very embarrassing. He felt very disturbed. And when he noticed that Ajay is not in the class, he reached his bench, he went to his bench, he took out the painting and he teared the painting out. He teared it out. In this way, Vijay spoiled the work of Ajay. Vijay spoiled the painting of Ajay. So, whom will you feel sympathy with? आपल्याला कोणाबद्दल sympathy वाटते? We feel sympathy with Ajay and we feel wrong with Vijay. So it's a story, short story. Now the next activity is discussing in pairs and groups the following expressions. Take the help of your teacher. Some expressions are given here. Look at the first expression. As you sow, so shall you reap. पेराल तसे उगवेल. क्राईम गेट्स इट्स ओन पनिशमेंट. गुन्हेगाराला शिक्षा मिळतेच. व्हॉट गोज अराउंड कम्स अराउंड. जसे विचार तशीच कृती. टिट फॉर टॅट. जशास तसे. इविल डिग्स अ पिट फॉर अदर्स बट फॉल्स इन टू द सेम. दुसऱ्यासाठी खड्डा जो खोदतो तो स्वतःच जाऊन त्यात पडतो. दीज एक्सप्रेशन्स मीन द सेम. या सर्व एक्सप्रेशनचा एकच अर्थ आहे. काय? ॲज यू सो सो शाल यू रिप. पेराल तसेच उगवेल. इफ यू प्लांट अ रोज ट्री. जर गुलाबाचं झाड लावलं यू विल गेट रोजेस. अँड इफ यू प्लांट अ थॉर्नी ट्री. एखादं काट्याचं झाड लावलं यू विल गेट थॉर्न्स अँड थॉर्न्स इन युअर होल लाईफ. सो sowing is very important. So let's begin with the poem.